Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the second part of the ShopMissA reviews, and this is going to have the AOA Studio lip products I have, the eyeshadows, the glitter liners, and a couple other products. So to get started, we're going to look at this Santee matte powder. This says it's new. I believe it is new to the website. This packaging reminds me of the Rimmel matte powder packaging. It does come with a powder puff. And overall, I've used this a couple times, and I think it is a nice powder. It did not make me look cakey. I got Ivory, number 1. It did not make me look cakey. It didn't like clump up or just look weird throughout the day. It doesn't have a weird smell. And it's a nice soft powder. Next is the Santee Sexy Colors 6 Kit Eyeshadows. This one is number 4. I did nick into a couple of my shadows. That's fine. These are all shimmery, and a couple of them have a very distinct metallic finish. It's really nice. They're so pretty. Of course they're powdery. Of course you have fallout. That stuff's to be expected with these cheaper eyeshadows. Even with high-end stuff, it's not really a big deal. I've enjoyed this. I've done a couple looks now, so I'll insert some pictures. But overall, I definitely recommend checking out these little palettes here from Santee because these eyeshadows are really nice. Next is kind of like a repurchase, but in a different color. So this blusher is in Coral. These are from Malibu Glitz. They are the Healthy Glow blushes. They come in a little compact. You get a nice little mirror there. Nice embellished rose. And all the shades that they sell in these Healthy Glow bronzers like this seem to be on the wearable side. They're really nice. They're super pigmented, so I would use a light hand with your brush dipping in there. You can build upon them. You can shear them out for a natural, healthy looking glow on your cheeks. It's so nice. These blushes are extremely nice and remind me of like a higher drugstore end kind of product, but for $1. Next are eyeliners. These are both from Santee. Yes, they're both from Santee. This is a glitter eyeliner. This is the gold one. It comes with a little, it is a brush. You can make lines with it. You can use this for an eyeliner. It is an eyeliner. But it does come with a warning on the packaging that says do not use around eyes. I have used this in my inner corner. I didn't have any reactions or irritations from it. The huge negative thing that I can say about it is that it took forever to dry. But I think overall for $1, this eyeliner is pretty okay. The next one, also from Santee, is the Diamond Eyeliner. And I got this one in Crystal. This one's gorgeous as well. This is so packed, not only with iridescent kind of crystal-y glitters, but with pieces of flakes too. And that might not be appealing to some, but it makes it very opaque. It's a very packed glitter liner. It's really pretty. Now, I've not used this one on my eyes, but just from swatching and the appearance of it, I do like it. They have these glitter eyeliners in so many different colors to choose from. Definitely check them out. And these are the LA Colors Pat Lip Gloss Mattes. I love these things. Yeah, they're hard to remove. They're a bit sticky, but it does not say liquid lipstick. They say lip glosses. If you're not a fan of sticky, you probably won't like these. I did do a tips and tricks video on these. I will link it in the description box below. It gives tips on how to apply these to make them less sticky, things that you can do to make them less sticky, things you can do for longer wear. You get the idea. That's what that video is about. This one I have is Enticing here. And these are probably the last two I'll buy. I own almost all of them. I really like them though. It's a darker nude shade with a hint of kind of pink to it. Has some pink shimmers in there to it. I don't know if the camera's picking up on it, but it's really nice. They really don't transfer shimmery on your lips because this is matte, but it gives it a pink tint. This one is called Let's Kiss, and it's just a pink nude shade. And these are just so pretty. I do have swatches of these. So that's Let's Kiss. And here's Enticing. I'll show you together as well. So just both in the nude family. These are nice though, you guys. The next one is from Amuse, and I've been wanting to try one of their matte lip glosses for a while. Especially the ones with all these beautiful rhinestones on there. Make up a heart right there. I got number 5. It was one of the darkest shades they have. I'm just the biggest fan of dark shades. I can't help it. I have a lip swatch of this. This is my favorite lippy that I have in this entire bunch. Yes, it's that great. Now this does dry matte. It doesn't dry like completely down because it is a lip gloss, but I love how it looks. This is a perfect winter and fall shade. Oh, it's so beautiful. This doesn't have any weird smells. It's not sticky. It's very creamy and smooth on the lips. It lasts forever. Like, all day. And of course eventually, yes, you do get the wear, but it doesn't flake off or anything like that, if that makes sense. If you've experienced that with some matte stuff, this is so nice though. I really like these. I definitely recommend number 5. Now, last but not least, we have AOA Studio products. First, I want to talk about the Wonder lipsticks. These are the 24-hour lipsticks. These by far are not 24-hour wear lipsticks. If you wear one of these, start eating, start drinking, you start getting wear. Now, if you're not eating and drinking, yes, they last hours on your lips without starting to wear. But in 24 hours, you're going to be eating and drinking, wiping your face and things like that. So, yeah, these aren't technically 24-hour lipsticks in my eyes. Now, the first one I got is Modern. Once again, I love the caps. They really lock on for carrying in your purse and stuff. I did have a bit of trouble with this. Again, them twisting up. And of course, the silver paint wants to come off. Those are just little side notes I mentioned in my other reviews. This one is beautiful. But, I mean, you can tell. Look how patchy that applies. It's super patchy. I want to start a picture. When you get this on your lips, like it goes on so patchy and weird. It's almost like a weird ombre effect. It's a beautiful shade. I wish it would have worked out, but I'm disappointed in this one. These are super creamy. They are matte. They're not drying on the lips. And I've had a good experience with all of them that I own. I own, I don't know, 11, 12 of them anyways. And this is the first one I had that weird patchiness with, so that's that. Now, the next one I'm really digging. It's called Burnt. And see, it doesn't really want to twist up. It's really hard. That's already wearing off. Anyways, this is a brown shade. And when it dries matte, it kind of has a grayish tint to it. I don't know how to describe it, but you'll see it in the pictures. It's so beautiful. This one is so nice and creamy. It's just a brown lippy, but like I said, when it starts to dry, it kind of has like this grayish tint to it. And it makes it a really unique shade. I am loving it. Like I said, these are not drying on the lips. Very smooth and creamy. Easy to apply. I do recommend trying these out. The next products I have are the AOA Studio Wonder Metal lipsticks. So here's Naughty and here's Vanity. Now Vanity kind of has like a red on the magenta side and has like some blue kind of undertones there. This is more like your blue undertoned red as well, but more along the lines of a real red, if that makes sense. These are metal, so they have like a metallic shiny kind of finish. They're really nice. My experience with these in the past is that they wear really quickly. Same concept here. You wear them, they get kind of a weird wonky ring after you're eating and drinking. Around your lips it looks like a weird lip liner. You know what I'm talking about. But overall, the amount of shades in this line and the finish that they are, and for $1, I'm not complaining about that. I will just reapply them. This one's Vanity. It's so pretty. These are so pretty. My favorite is Naughty though. So you can see the difference in the two, but they're both in the red family. I really, really love Naughty. So beautiful. I recommend you guys checking these out just because they are a unique finish. Lastly, I want to talk about the AOA Studio Diamond lip glosses. Essentially, these are lip gloss, like toppers. These are lipstick transformers. I picked up the pink one and the more purpley one. Now, they both look somewhat purpley. One of them, this one here is called Bubblegum, and it's the lighter of the two. Both of these have iridescent pink, blue, and purple sheens to them, and shimmers in there. This one's called Gypsy, and it's a darker purple. I don't know how well the camera is going to pick up on that iridescentness. But these do go over top of lipsticks, and so I wanted to give you a quick idea how they look over like a darker lipstick. The camera's not going to do it justice. I'll have to get some pictures, but these are beautiful. Beautiful. It is something different you can add over top of a matte lipstick or a creamy finish lipstick or shimmery, whatever you want. Like I said, they had a ton of these to choose from, and they're all like a transforming iridescent lip gloss. And for $1, you really can't beat it. They're not sticky. They don't have weird smells. They have really cute names. They're gorgeous. And if you're into this kind of thing, I'd say definitely check them out. I'm not a huge lip gloss wearer. I just wanted to try them out. Overall, they're really pretty though. But basically, that's the rest of all the ShopMissA products I had to review. Hope you guys enjoyed the review, found it helpful. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to check the description box for additional ShopMissA reviews and tutorials. And thank you guys again for watching.